morning, students. Today I am going to revise greater than, less than and equals to. See, this is greater than, this is less than and this is the sign of equals to. Once again you see, this is greater than, this is less than and this is the sign of equals to. What I told, that whichever side there is more thing, we love to eat more. I showed one alligator earlier. Alligator eat more. He loves to eat more. So he will open his mouth whenever the thing is more. Wherever the thing is more. He loves to eat more, na? Suppose I have, this is ice cream. In this side I have 3 ice cream, and in this side I have 2 ice cream. How many ice cream in this side? 2, and this side 3. How many? 2, and this side 3. So we will open our mouth in which side? This side or this side? Obviously this side, where the things are more. Where the ice cream is more, we will open the mouth in that side only. Okay? So we will open our mouth in which side? This side. How we will open? Like this. This. See. Where we will open the mouth? More in more side or less side? Wherever the thing is more. So in number wise also 1, 2, 3 is greater than 1, 2. Okay. So in 3 is more and 2 is less. So if we write in numbers, here it is 2 and here it is 3. Which side we will open our mouth in 2 or 3? 3 is bigger number or 2 is bigger number? You will see the first number. First number is 2. Second number is 3. 3 is bigger or 2 is bigger? 2 is bigger. 3 is bigger, not 2. So we will open our mouth in this side. What I have taught? If we will see the first number. If first number is smaller and second number is more, so we will read as 2 is less than 3. What we read? 2 is less than 3. This is the sign of less than. Suppose, okay, I will show you the ice cream. No. Suppose we have in this tree 3 mangoes. In this tree, 3 mangoes are there. How many mangoes in this tree? 3 mangoes. 1, 2, 3. And in this tree, see, wait. See. In this tree, how many mangoes? 3 mangoes are there. And in this tree, how many mangoes? Only 1. Here it is. How many mangoes? 3 mangoes. How many mangoes? 3 mangoes. And in this tree, only 1. So we will open our mouth in this side or this side, where the mango is more. In which side the mango is more? This side. In this tree. 1, 2, 3. So we will open our mouth in this side. 1, 2, 3. Not in 1. This side is more. This side is less. Or this tree has more mangoes than this tree. We will open our mouth wherever the things is more. Wherever the mangoes are more in number. So let's suppose the number is 15 and here the number is 6. We will open our mouth in 1, 5, 15 or 6. We compare the number. 15 is great. bigger number and 6 is smaller number. So we will open our mouth in this side. This side we will open our mouth, and what we will read? 15 is greater than 6. What we will read? 15 is greater than 6. Wherever the number is more, wherever the things is more, same number also. Wherever the number is more, we will open the mouth in that side. Okay, let's give some more example. Suppose here it is 10 and here the number is 20. Which is the bigger number, 10 or 20? Obviously 2020, not 1010. 2020 is bigger. So we will open our mouth in this side. What we will read? 10 is smaller number now, so we will read 10 is less than 20. What we will read? 10 is less than 20. Once again, 10 is less than 20. Suppose this side 2 ice cream and this side also 2 ice cream. This side 2 ice cream and this side 2 ice cream. Both the sides same. Where we will open our mouth? This side or this side? Both the sides are equal. This side also 2 ice cream. This side. What we will do? We will confuse. No confusion. We will put equals to. We will put the sign equals to. Equal, equal. Both the sides are equal. Just because both the sides are equal. This side also 2 ice cream. This side also 2 ice cream. What we will do? We will just put the sign equals to. So, suppose the number is 5 and here also number is 5. What we will do? Here also 5, here also 5. Both sides same number. So we will put equals to. What we will put? We will put equals to. Okay. Suppose the number is here 1, here it is 1 to 12. You will compare the number, you will see which side is bigger number. 1, only 1. Here it is 1 to 12. This side is bigger, not this side. So we will open the mouth in this side. This side we will open our mouth. And as this number is smaller number, we will read 1 is less than 12. 1 is less than 12. So, last one see. 26. Here it is 2, 6, 26. And here it is only 6. Only 6. Suppose you have 26 toffees and I have only 6 toffees. Yours is more or mine? Of course, yours is more. You have 2, 6, 26 toffees. I have only 6 toffees. So we will open our mouth in which side? Which is the bigger number? 2, 6, 26 or 6? 2, 6, 26. We will open our mouth in this side. Now we will compare. 2, 6, 26 bigger as and 6 is smaller. So we will read 2, 6, 26 is greater than 6. 26 is greater than 6. Always remember, you should see the first number and you will decide what you should you read. Here 2 is smaller and 3 is bigger. We have opened our mouth in that side, in 3 side. So here as 2 is smaller, so we will read 2 is less than 3. What we will read? 2 is less than 3. And whenever the things is both the sides equal, always remember we will put the sign of equals to. What we will put? We will put the sign of equals to. This is the sign of equals to. This is the sign of equals to. And when the things is more, here the number is more and here the number is less. So we will open the mouth in this side. We will say this is greater number and this is smaller number. So we will read 26 is greater than 6. This thing you keep in mind always. I hope you understand the concept of greater than, less than and equals to. Okay. This is, I give revision. All the work I will give in your copy. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you.